Hello guys, in this video we'll show you how to create PDFs in your make scenario using your Airtable data. So let's get started. So I have this Airtable block where I'm just getting the base, the table and a particular record. Here you can have anything from the Airtable. You just need a Airtable record ID to generate the PDF. So we have that right now. Let me run this once. So we have all the data right here. Here, add another module and you search PDF Maker. We'll be using this app for our PDF creation. Click on this, create a document using Airtable. So we have our another module which is PDF Maker. Click on it and create a connection. You will be requiring an API key. So to get an API key, go to this URL, copy it and paste it in a new tab. You need to log in first. I am already logged in. Now you have to go to settings here, and here you will get the API key option. Click on it and here's your API key. Copy it and paste it here. Click on save. Connection is fulfilled. Now you will see list of templates from your PDF Maker account. So you have to create a template in order to have a PDF. So we already have a template which is this one. We'll be using this template. If you want to know how to create a template inside PDF Maker, in the description you'll get the link, or in the I button you'll get the link. So watch that video to know how to create a template in PDF Maker. In this video we're just going to see how to use this template in make.com. Now just this is the template we'll be using. So we have this invoice and we'll be using this invoice to create a PDF. So let me select the template which is PDF Maker invoice. This is the template. Now you'll be requiring a Airtable record ID. To get the record ID, we have the record ID from here. This is the record ID. Just select and that is done. Just make sure in order to function with PDF Maker, you require a Airtable record ID. So we have the record ID. Just click on OK. That's it. Now, if you run this scenario, you'll get the PDF. As you can see here, we have the response. Here we have the PDF URL. Just copy it and open it in a new tab. As you can see, our PDF has been generated using the template. Like this is the template and these are some variables and line items. All are being populated in the final PDF. So this is how you use PDF Maker and make.com to automate your PDFs or documents. So this can be used anywhere, wherever you like to generate PDF. If you are not using Airtable and you want to use something else, that is also possible. You can have a PDF Maker module with a make a API call option, and here you can make a API call using the PDF Maker API. We support various options. Here you can create a PDF using the data only. So for this part, follow the next video. Like in the next video, we'll be showing you how to use PDF Maker API in make.com. So stay tuned for that. I hope you got to know how to use PDF Maker. And if you have any query or questions, feel free to write us back in the comments and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.